Hello, good evening. Today I'm going to show you that you can create a map in your Google account, or you can save your preferred location that you want to save for your further use, just like you're going do some sampling. You already collected some sample from fields, and now we want to mark that the exact place that um, you have collected your sample. You can do this easily in Google Maps. You want to do that, you can go to your Google Apps and you can select map here, and you can see that the Google Map is open here. And now I can, sorry, where's the, where's that map? Now I can select or I can create my map that where I want to go, or like for example, like you did collect sample from field and now you want to mark that sampling point in your map. I want to save that, or you're planning to go for sampling, and you can save your location here, and later you can upload to your system, like both computer system, and you can go to that specific location that you have saved earlier. So here I'll go and I'll show that how you can do that. Uh, so you'll go to the left, this search Google Map, the menu, Google Map menu. When you click on the Google Map menu, then you'll find a few options here. You can go to your places, your contributions, location sharing, your timeline, your data in maps, and whatever it is you like. So I'll go to the your place that I want to mark some places or locations. So when you go to your place, then there's some other options: list, labeled, visited. You can make a list of your place, your favorite place, your travel plans. You want to go anywhere, your start place, or you can label your place, whether it is the home or workplace, or you can also mark your timeline as the places that you have visited in the last year or this year, and you can later upload, you can later see that the place you have visited last year or this year, or you have a plan to visit some places easily from here. So I'll go to the Google Map first, because I want to mark my sampling station here that I want to do sample. So I did earlier, like proposed sampling sites in Mississippi River. So that is my proposed sampling site. Let's see that I have started from here, uh, near somewhere downtown, somewhere in Mississippi, probably, yeah. And then I ended up here at that location. As I already created that map, I will show you that how can you can create a map here. So let's open, um, to do that, how you can create a map, you have to press here the create map. When you click the create map, um, then the untitled map, an untitled map will open. Now you can rename, or you can give a new name for your map. Um, so you can click new map. Um, so here is the untitled layer. So you can add a layer like that. This is the untitled layer. You can add a layer. Then when you click the add layer, a layer will be added here. And you can import data in this layer. But I'm not going there at first. I will go to my sampling location. Suppose my sampling location is started from, my proposed sample location is started from South Atlantic Ocean. Um, uh, so I will- mm, mm, sorry, let's go back. We can settle down. We can go to this satellite view because if you want to see that the location, you need to go to the satellite view. You you can really go in a normal map view as well, but the satellite view is much better. You can point out your sampling location. Okay, let's start in the create map. Mhm. Now, suppose you want to get your samples from South Atlantic Ocean to North Atlantic Ocean, and you can actually change your base map from here. Map, normal view, satellite view, terrain, whatever you like. So I'm just keeping base map now. I may change it to the satellite view anytime. Now, suppose this is my, so I can mark a location here first, like add a marker. So say this is your first sampling point, sampling point one, and you can save that. So you see this untitled layer is normally taking the sampling point Q. I'm sorry, I can just rename it something. And you can put your second sampling point here. Sampling point two, point two, you save it, you can save your location. Again, so you can see that your proposed sampling point GPS is given here. So when you go for sampling, you can use this GPS in your port system, go to the exact location. This is how you can mark anywhere you want to go. Probably you're not going to sampling that you want to visit somewhere in Brazil. See, you want to go here in Amazon, Brazil. So you can mark this point, Amazon, Brazil, Amazon forest, Brazil. Mm, So this is very simple, and this map is already saved. And yeah, you can rename your map because I just created map earlier. It is named as untitled map. You can give a title for your map. Post post sampling point, something like that. Point. Now my map is created. Let's go back and we can see that map. Let's go back to my main list. It's my Google. This is my Google map list. And you can see this map is updated here. All sampling January 23, 2023. And I have prepared this map. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe this channel that will come with new video and will be more helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.